रीजनरेटिव ट्रीटमेंट्स में एक पीआरपी होता है जिसमें आपका ब्लड यूज होता है. देयर इज आई थिंक फैट also used, and what else, like
Yeah,
please
so there
explain.
are lots of things that we can do, and the regenerative field is advancing at a very high speed. रीजनरेटिव थेरेपीज ये यूएस में 20 साल से बहुत अच्छे से चल रहे हैं, लेकिन यूरोप में तो ये ऑलमोस्ट 35 इयर्स से हो रहे हैं. और यूरोप में आपको बहुत आश्चर्य होगा, फैट इज बीइंग यूज्ड एज रीजनरेटिव मटेरियल, okay, in Europe since last 35 years.
Wow.
Fat, okay,
Wow.
which
We just want to get rid of it.
yes, absolutely. So मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा बात करूंगी.
Sure.
So fat is called adipose tissue, okay. तो हमें लगता है कि fat is lump of fat, it's a waste tissue and we just want to get rid of it, but fat has a very high regenerative potential. Very, very high. Okay, so fat is not only fat cells, there are lots of other regenerative cells. उसमें से कुछ stem cells भी रहते हैं, आपने stem cells के बारे में सुना होगा.
Yes.
which are the main healing या regenerative cells. So fat is packed with stem cells and other progenitor cells, and there's a list of cells that they are extremely highly healing, highly anti-inflammatory, highly immunomodulatory. So immune modulatory function is also very important for healing. So ये सारे functions fat में packed रहते हैं. So we can use this fat for regenerative purposes, for treating arthritis, for treating lots of muscle tendon injuries, lots of cartilage damage issues, like simple chondromalacia patelli, in which there is a degeneration of a kneecap. So even for that we can use this. We can use it for a few spine problems also. So there is a whole lot of array of conditions in which we can use fat for regenerative purposes. Even in sports injuries, there's a huge application of it in sports injuries as well. So the processing of fat is done. ये दो तरीके से किया जा सकता है. एक तो हम फैट निकालते हैं, उसको हम फ्रेशली हम लोग उसे प्रोसेस करते हैं और हम उसे इंजेक्ट करते हैं उसके सेल सेपरेट करके. दूसरा जो है वो इंडिया में अभी लीगल नहीं है या अलाउड नहीं है, इज कल्चरिंग. सो हम लोग इसमें फैट निकालते हैं, हम कल्चर लैब में भेजते हैं, और कल्चर लैब में भेज के उसे हम बढ़ाते हैं.
Artificially.
It's not artificial, it is culturing. It is called culturing. So we do that of culturing of stem cells from fat. So they grow in like huge numbers, and then we keep on injecting it. So this can be done then every year. So all the sports people and all, because they give fat at say age of 25, and they can even use it at 35. So that's a very big application, though it will come. It's still not here in India so much. But talking about fat, the processing is very simple. It's just done under local anesthetic. Okay, so we give a small local anesthesia in abdomen. That's the richest place where we get a lot of fat. We take out around 100-120 ml of fat, which is not much.
Okay.
We process it. उसको 30 से 40 मिनट लगते हैं वो प्रोसेसिंग को. उसमें से हम पूरे सेल सेपरेशन और पूरा क्लीनिंग प्रोसेसिंग होता है, और वो हम निकाल के इंजेक्ट करते हैं जहाँ पे उसकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. सो मोस्ट कॉमन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस इज knee osteoarthritis.